Hello everyone, let's talk about server memory. Upgrading your server's RAM is one of the most impactful things you can do to boost performance. And today we're looking at the NEMIX RAM 256GB DDR4 2933MHz ECC or DIMM kit. This kit is designed for servers and workstations, packing a serious punch with 8 32GB modules. NEMIX RAM focuses on providing high-quality memory solutions, particularly for enterprise environments. This 256GB kit is no exception. It operates at 2933 MHz, which is a sweet spot for many server applications, and it's PCE-4-23400 rated. The modules are 2RX4, meaning they're dual-ranked and use a X4 organization, which can improve performance in some server workloads. They run at a standard 1.2V and feature a CL21 latency. One of the key features here is ECC, or error correcting code. This is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory can detect and correct single-bit errors, preventing crashes and data corruption. The REDIMM designation means these are registered DIMMs, which include a register between the memory controller and the DRAM chips. This helps to improve stability and performance, especially with larger memory configurations. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, and most users should be able to install this kit themselves. Of course, always refer to your server's manual for specific instructions. Make sure your system supports DDR4 REDIMMs and the capacity of each module. NEMIX RAM backs their memory with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the product's quality. They also offer IT support, which can be helpful if you run into any issues during installation or operation. If you're looking to maximize the performance and stability of your server or workstation, the NEMIX RAM 256GB DDR4 ECC or DIMM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a high-capacity, high-quality memory solution backed by a solid warranty and support.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.